Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this easy origami scorpion. And yeah, and you can move the stinger like that. And it's pretty cool looking. And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami. So let's begin. Right side up, and let's fold in half. By the way, this is from a 6-inch square, but I'm using a 7-inch square just to make it easier to follow. Okay, so fold in half diagonally. We're making a fish base. Alright, and the other way. Okay, and now fold this edge to the crease. And really, you can just fold to that fold right there. You could do it all the way across, but I'm just going to fold to the crease, just to make it a little bit cleaner. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now remake those two folds together like this, and then pinch here and flatten it to one direction. It doesn't matter which direction you flatten it. Okay, and now repeat all that on this side. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Well, maybe not. Alright, now make the folds, and then flatten it either direction. Okay, and now let's turn over, and let's fold the fish base in half. Okay, so, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it to the middle. And unfold, and repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Okay. And now we're going to sink these two flaps. So to do that, we're going to open up the whole thing right here. Just open it enough so that you see all these creases. So we're going to pinch these 4 folds right here, mountains. So let's start here. So get our pinchers out and pinch them mountains like this. Alright, and before we close it up, let's do it on this side first. So, pinch those folds, mountains. Alright, and then now at this point we can start closing it up. So, we're making this fold right here a valley. And these folds also. Alright, like this, and then let's do it on this side. Alright, and then now just kind of pivot this up so that these points right here meet. So these edges touch that point. Okay? Like that. So as far as it goes. And then same here. Kind of pivot it up like this until it touches that point. Like that. Alright. Okay. And now just flatten everything like this. Okay, so these are the pinchers, and this is the tail. So let's narrow the tail out. So either side up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this in between this point and that point. Alright, Use that sharply. And repeat on this side. So fold in between here and here. Okay. Now take this point and fold it to here. So really we're kind of folding this in half. Alright, and now fold to the crease. Alright, and then fold it one more time. Fold this point to that crease we just made. Okay, and now we're gonna make some pleats. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start right here, and here, I'll zoom in, and we're just gonna make a tiny pleat, and this is really to taste. You can make it however big you want. I'm just gonna make it about that big. So like this, just kind of eyeball it, or to taste, like that, and then same here. Make a small pleat, just about that much. And the same right here. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a diagonal fold from this point to this point, like this. All right, and then same on this side. Make a fold from here to there. Just like that. Okay, and same thing on here and here. So I'll show you again on this one. Actually, I'm not going to do it to this top one right here. I'm just gonna leave the top one like this because it's pretty small to do that, and you guys are not really gonna see it. So yeah, it's too small to do it up here, so I'm just gonna do it here and here. I mean, if you want, you can try and do it right here, but I'm not. Okay. All right, and then now kind of bend that top one over like that. See? And just kind of shape the scorpion to taste. And oh, I forgot, we need to shape the pinchers. So I'm gonna turn over, and we're gonna take this and just kind of fold it up to taste, just about like that. It's really to taste. All right, and then kind of fold this point over too. Okay, just about like that. And same on this side. So fold it about like this. That little point over also, like that. And once you did that, here is our scorpion. And you can just shape it to taste. You can just kind of three-dimensionalize it like this. Alright. So, there you have it. And its stinger moves. And yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Hope you're able to. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool looking. It's pretty simple and pretty cool. So yeah, and it's an action model. So yeah, alright. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, bye bye.